Now is another great day. I would like to talk to regarding the full mouth implant restorations. So about benefit, same things. Number one is hygiene underneath. So the problem is that these cases, when we have a tall, which means more than 29, 30 millimeters, 32 millimeters, this is big, which is big guy. Not only that, we have a 5-6 implant, the position is different. Meaning, in order to make the one solid fit, it cannot mirror. And to be honest with you, none of the machine cannot mirror because that's tough implant position. I'm not talking about the blame the dentist. I'm trying to solve the issue, right? It's for the patients. How can we position implant? Place one more implant? I don't recommend it, right? As it is, 6 implants is good. So what I did, the 7-star, why I did that? I don't want it because too much job. There's a lot of spend time, at least 16 working days in the lab, okay? 8-hour times 16 working days, makes sense to you? There's a lot of work, but why doing that? This is the only way we can do to make these patients happy, the dentist, regardless whoever, all right? So now talking about the other 7-star, which is Syton 7-star cases, about these cases. Why I make individual? Because it's tall. So my milling machine, which is German milling machine, cannot mill, right? Because we have a 25 millimeter block. Of course, zirconia company, they can make 35 millimeter with pre-order. Takes 3 months to get here. I don't have any stock. Patient is not going to wait 3 months. I hope they don't. So 30 millimeter block used to be I make the half cut. I just glue together. But no, today's I make the prep teeth. And then top of them make the LSK cosmic press. Okay, people questioning, look, why are you doing this? Same thing. Tall, different implant position, I have to make one solid fit. In order to do that, I have to make 2 pieces top of this. There's the only way. If you can do that, let me know. Okay, let me know. I will learn from you. I don't think so. You cannot do it. Either fracture, or you have a hygiene problem, you have an angulation problem, you have an aesthetic problem, right? So that's why I made this. And number 2, benefit for this, exceptional hygiene underneath because it's so tiny. So the minimum cleaning. So they don't have any smells bad and then it's plaque stuck inside. Not much problem. Then we have a long pontic, which is sadder, which is I don't like that. I like the modify or avoid pontic is the best. All right, top of that I made individual crown. You can do floss if we want to, you don't have to because artificial restorations. And LSK press, which is the more translucency, not like zirconia, meaning the value. The value is a kind of medium-low value, looks like natural dentition, just like the elderly people or middle-aged people dentition. I'm not talking about young people dentition, young meaning 18, 15, 18, whatever you said, but they're high value. But who need restoration? Elderly or middle age, they need a full mouth restorations. Now, in order to make those kind of things, I have to make the great, the value, which is there's a great choice.